In this video, we'll describe how to switch modes in RCX-Studio 2020. This section describes the operation method to switch to online mode for controllers and to offline mode for emulators. When a user clicks offline mode in the online target window, a data transfer confirmation message will be displayed. Click Yes to overwrite the data of controller over the emulator. If any robot has not been set on the emulator, the standard coordinate setup will be displayed. After setting plus direction of X coordinate, click OK. An alarm will occur after return on, therefore, please click Reboot. If the alarm remains on after rebooting, execute an alarm reset. The emulator data, which has been synchronized with the controller data, will be displayed on the target window. After that, it will go into offline mode. Editing and saving on this target window will overwrite the emulator data. If a user clicks on No for the data transfer confirmation message, the controller data will not be overwritten by the emulator data. Information of the original emulator data will be displayed on the target window. After that, it will go into offline mode. Editing and saving on this target window will overwrite the emulator data. If you want to think carefully and edit only on an emulator, it is recommended to overwrite the controller data over the emulator data beforehand. This section describes the operation method to switch to offline mode for emulators and to online mode for controllers. Confirm USB key is inserted and an Ethernet cable or serial communication cable is connected. Then proceed to communication settings. Please refer the video, Startup and Connection Part 2 for the details. If a data synchronization is not needed, click Online mode to switch modes. After a while, it will go into online mode. If the controller have never been connected to an actual robot, a screen to select the connection destination will be displayed. We will describe about it in the later section of this video. Also, if there is differences between the emulator data and the controller data, synchronization will not be processed. The target window will show only the controller data. If the controller data has been edited by someone else, it is dangerous to sync the data with an emulator without noticing it. In that case, click Online mode to switch the mode. To reflect the partial changes to the controller data, users need to transfer the data through the backup data. Please back up the emulator data before switching to online mode. Please refer the video Data Transfer to learn how to back up data. If a data synchronization is needed, click Online after transfer to switch modes. A confirmation message will be displayed, and then click OK. After a while, it will go into online mode. Even if there is a difference between the emulator data and the controller data, synchronization will be processed, and the controller data will be overwritten over the emulator data. To automatically reflect the emulator data to the controller data, switch the mode from online after transfer. However, it is recommended to confirm in advance whether the controller data has not been changed by users other than yourself. If there is no backup data of the controller data, there's no way to revert to the original controller data. Please be careful. The communication setting will be updated when the mode is switched. In case of switching to online mode for the first time, or if there is no communication setting on the emulator data, a screen for selecting the connection destination will be displayed. If you complete the communication setting, click Finish. That is all for startup and connection.